Hey y'all, we are here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. This is a standard room and we wanted to give you a little tour. So come on in. This is room 4144. We have a nice little view of a courtyard right outside the door. This is in building 4 of the Casitas area. We have 2 queen size beds. These are obviously these are not the Murphy beds that you have at like Pop Century or Art of Animation, some of the other value resorts. Coronado Springs is a moderate resort. Have a nice little seating chair here, some 3 caballeros artwork, nice storage space, ice bucket, and some coffee cups, regular cups, and we have our Keurig with complimentary K-Cups of the Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend. Mini fridge. That always comes in handy for us. Plenty of counter desk space in case you need to do a little bit of work or whatever while you're here. A little light. Plugs and USBs. 2 sets of those. Remote. Nicely packaged in the cleaned post-COVID world. Nice size television. And lots of drawer storage. So you have a total of 6 drawers. Also, there is space under the bed to store your suitcases or any bags that you're not using during your stay. More 3 caballeros artwork in between the beds. Also more plugs and USBs on either side. And conveniently, right by the bed are your light switches and the light and ceiling fan. Thank you, Disney, for putting ceiling fans in all your rooms now. Nightstand, and your safe is down here in the nightstand. Also on both beds, on both sides of both beds, there are little night lights if you want to read right before you go to bed. Boop. Double doors. So you can close off the space while you get dressed. More storage in case you want to hang up any of your clothing items. Extra pillows and blankets. Plenty of hangers. Luggage rack. Ironing board. And even more storage in the bottom. Clothing rack. Oh, it extends. But I wouldn't hang anything heavy on that. Is that supposed to extend? I'm not sure. Towel rack, more storage. There's lots of storage in here. Lots of space for your toiletries. There's some plugs back there so that your plug is not quite as close to the sink. But there's also plugs here on the wall. Tissue, extra tissue. You could use under the sink storage as well. There's our hair dryer and storage space in the middle. Looks like we've got facial soap, complimentary, a shower cap, a vanity kit, and some body lotion of our H2O products. Vanity mirror on the wall, extends, magnifies, or normal side. I like these little pocket doors that just kind of tuck out of the way. So, toilet, shower tub combo area, complimentary H2O products, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and a little cubby hole for any of your extra toiletries. This one has a waterfall, the shower head, and the removable shower head. And I think there are different settings that you can choose for however you want your water to flow. Tile floors in the bathroom area. We'll call these hardwood for lack of a better term. I like that there is no carpet on these floors. Florida humidity and carpet don't go so great together. Full length mirror on the door. Looks like this is an adjoining room. Could possibly be part of a suite situation. I don't really know how all those work all the time. We've stayed here multiple times. This is one of our favorite resorts. I think this was actually our first resort that we stayed at many years ago before any renovations ever happened, and we've been coming back ever since. We love it. There's also the addition of the new Grand Destino Tower right next door that you can take advantage of. They have some nice restaurants and lounges with the Cafe Bonbon is one of our favorites. But that lounge in the bottom is only open until like noon, so if you want that, you gotta get up early and go. Have you ever stayed here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort? Let us know your comments on Disney's Coronado Springs Resort in the comment section below. And until next time, remember, no capes.